A lot of guys ask me, why do girls like assholes? Why do girls play games and like me when I ignore them? Here's your answer. If the majority of girls would love themselves and think they are amazing, they wouldn't be attracted to someone who talks down to them. But since they, as well as most guys, don't think they're worthy, they will always try to get with someone who they think is better than them. The sign that someone is better than her is that he ignores her and acts like an asshole. Then she's attracted, but that's a very unconscious attraction, and it has nothing to do with real love. Most people never experience real love. What they think is love is more like a drug addiction combined with emotional up and downs that completely makes her emotionally attached and addicted. This is the answer to your question. It's like a drug addiction because what the girl or guy is really looking for is their own value in the other person. They can't ever find it outside of themselves, so they're always looking for more, like a drug addict. That's some of the realest TikToks you've probably ever seen.
Madison's only into guys that don't want anything to do with her. That's why she had a crush on me for like 8 months.
I'm not gonna respond.
If that's true what David said, that's a real problem that a lot of girls have. If you only like guys who don't want anything to do with you, that says more about you than the other person. Imagine what that is saying about you. You like someone who doesn't like you, so you must not like yourself that much, because if you really thought you were amazing, you would think the other person had not the same values and is out of their mind for not wanting to be with you. Manipulative games only work on girls who are not grounded in their relationship with themselves. You can only play games with someone who hasn't created their own game in life for themselves first. And the game should be called, I love myself. And if you don't like me, I don't love you. Not if you don't like me, I'll put you on a pedestal because I think you're better than me and chase you and seek your validation. The reason someone has a screwy relationship with themselves is not their fault. It's not Madison's fault she feels like that. Society brainwashed her with faulty belief systems that makes her put someone else on the pedestal.
She cursed at me in front of 20 people at this party. She's like, Will, would you shut the up?
Ooh.
I said, Jada, this is the deal. Will not create a house, a space, an interaction with a person where there's profanity and violence. She was like, well, you're not gonna be hitting me in my head. I said, get out. It's like, wait, so you would break up with me over some words? I was like, I just did. And her eyes welled up with tears. And she was like, okay.
You can only have a healthy relationship if you're willing to walk away from that relationship for your own values. If you are not checking the disrespect of another person, you will become a slave to their mood swings. As she disrespects that again, he tells her to leave. Then she tests him and asks if he would end the relationship. He did the most powerful thing by saying yes, he just did. From this moment on, she understood Will Smith is the man in his power.
We gotta start saying fuck these bitches, man. If you fucking with a cool female, that's all good. But if you fucking with a bitch, you need to break her ass and shake her ass. That's how.
Now, if Tupac was living today, he would tell you yourself that he wasn't talking about all women. He was talking about the manipulated women. He was talking about the kind of women who will use you Sims as an Instagram number, who puts hard eye emojis under her pics. She will even use those famous YouTuber Sims and get with them just to get a little higher on the ladder. And all the while, she's fueled by the biggest drug that all the followers and all the Sims kissing her ass give her: attention. Y'all blowing up these girls' egos and they're starting to think they're all that because of one thing: their looks. And it's all because y'all Sims don't have values. Your number one value is how hot a girl is, and you put her on a pedestal because of that. A king's number one value is the character of a person. Tupac wanted to see change. Let's change the value of society and let females be successful who have great character, are beautiful and talented.
If you treat her like a celebrity, she will treat you like a fan. I've been saying that for a while. A guy commented that under one of my videos, to which a girl responded, if you respect her, she will respect you. That is not true at all. You can respect someone as much as you want and they do not have to respect you back. Switch the perspective from if you respect her, she will respect you too. If I respect myself, he or she has to respect me because I will not let them disrespect me. Then you won. A relationship can only be healthy if you're willing to walk away from that relationship for your own self-love. If not, you will always be a slave to the other person's mood swings. Don't listen to people telling you you just have to be a gentleman or a lady, be nice or respectful. That's all lies people tell you because they have no idea about social interactions, or they want you to be nice out of selfish reasons. They don't want you to respect yourself and take care of yourself because they want you to respect them and take care of them. Which is saying, don't be selfish and serve yourself, serve me. That's selfish.